Hello, you youngins. You're probably studying for your AP Calculus test soon. Let me tell you this much: it's not as bad as some people make it out to be. So just listen to what Miss Rochan says, and you'll do fine. So let's get started on this practice test. So for response number 1. 2008 AP Calculus AB for your response question.
Plagiarize extra time as well. And go to 2 with extra time.
So we know we have this graph, and the interval is from 0 to 2 because the zeros are at 0 and 2. So the top function is y equals sine of pi times x, and the bottom function is y equals x cubed minus 4x. So as you know, to find the area, we should take the antiderivative from 0 to 2 of sine of pi x minus x cubed minus 4x dx, which is taking the area in between those two functions from 0 to 2, and based on that, you go to your calculator, do fn int, which is math 9, of y1 minus y2. y1 is sine pi x, and y2 is x cubed minus 4x, comma x, comma 0, comma 2, which are your bounds, equals 4. And that is your answer for A. The area of R is 4. So, the next problem, or part, B, says, the horizontal line y equals -2 splits the region R into 2 parts. Write but do not evaluate an integral expression for the area of the part R that is below this horizontal line. So, when we're taking this, we realize that the bounds for the graph is right here. The bounds for this area are y equals -2 and the function x cubed minus 4x. So when we find the intersection points of y equals -2 and x cubed minus 4x, we get x equals 1.675139 and x equals 0.539188887. So we can stow in B and A for the second intersection and the first intersection. A is the first and B is the second. Right there is A and right there is B. So now we can take, to find the area of that part, it's the antiderivative from A to B of -2 minus...
What you playing over there, Wagner?
minus x cubed minus 4x. As you can tell, Brian Banky's got nothing done this year. Class, you probably got a 2 on the AP. Anyways, Mr. Aron, please do not take any points off for that. That was not my fault. Alright, let's go to part C. This says, the region R is the base of the solid. For this solid, each cross-section perpendicular to the x-axis is a square. Find the volume of the solid. So, I wrote an example right here of the square. So R is one side, which is our area. So if you took a perpendicular slice of that, it is one side of the square. We know that a square, to find the area of a square, is one side times the other. So in this case, it would be R squared. Therefore, we know our function, so we can manipulate that to work in this kind of situation. We go from we take the antiderivative from 0 to 2 of sine of pi x minus x cubed minus 4x, which was how we found our area, time, and then all we do is square that because that's taking one side of the square to multiply by the other to find the area. So once again, antiderivative of 0 to 2 sine of pi x minus x cubed minus 4x altogether squared a dx. Then we can put that in our calculator to find the actual area, which is fn int y1 minus y2 squared, comma x, comma 0, comma 2, equals 9.978. Finally, part D. The region R models the surface of a small pond. At all points in R at distance x from the y-axis, the depth of the water is given by h of x equals 3 minus x. Find the volume of water in the pond. So we know that volume equals area times height. We already have our antiderivative for area, which is the antiderivative from 0 to 2 of sine of pi x minus x cubed minus 4x, which is right here. Now, we also have our height, which is given as h of x equals 3 minus x, right here. So we know, therefore, which that's what this means. It's another way you can write therefore in your AP test, is V, volume, equals the antiderivative from 0 to 2 of our area, which is sine of pi x minus x cubed minus 4x, times our height, which is 3 minus x. To find the actual answer, we plug that in our calculator, fn int, y1 of y1 minus y2 squared, which is our area, squared. Oh, sorry, I have no idea why I did the area squared. Cancel that. That from the other problem. Sorry, it's not that. It is just, all it is y1 minus y2, because that's our area. We're not trying to, I was thinking of the other problem we were doing, our square. Anyways, fn int of y1 minus y2 times y3, which is 3 minus x, comma x, comma 0, comma 2, equals 8.370, which is your answer. Good luck on this AP, guys.